Hey guys, welcome to our channel.
Did you poop?
No.
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna be doing the 1, 2, 3 tag. Do you have anything to say?
No, it's gonna be funny though.
Oh yeah, it should be interesting. So yeah, let's get started. All right. So the way to do the 1, 2, 3 tag, where I'm going to say the question and then we count to 3 and we both give an answer. So if either one applies to whoever.
Yeah.
All right. So let's get started. All right. The first question is earliest to go to bed. So 1, 2, 3. Leela. Yes. Always.
I'm a grandma.
Yeah. Okay. Earliest to wake up first. All right. 1, 2, 3. Leela. All right. How long have we been friends? Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Shy
11
of a
months.
year.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
I mean, same thing.
Yeah.
11 months. Shy
Yeah.
of a year. Okay. If possible, what would your friend eat every day? 1, 2, 3.
Mac and cheese.
Oh.
What are you gonna
Really?
say?
I was gonna say Hawaiian rolls.
That would be blocked up for centuries.
No, prunes then. Prunes. Okay. I don't know.
Wow.
Right. So we can do me now.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
King
Rice.
gyros. Rice?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But yeah, king gyros I definitely could eat that. You're
Yeah.
right. If they had a rice meal, that would be bomb. Number 7. If your friend could choose one thing for you to get rid of, what would it be? I feel attacked. I feel attacked. I want you to get rid
Oh,
of.
I know exactly what I want you to get rid of.
Wow. That's rude. Oh yeah, I know. Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Your
That
clothes.
mannequin head. Wow! How do I get rid of my clothes? The disrespect. I feel attacked. I feel attacked.
She doesn't even wear half the stuff that's in her closet. Stuff still has tags. She probably just took the tag off of this, didn't you?
I did.
Like, hey, okay, so shut up. And my mannequin.
It's so creepy. Okay, like it's just there, she's just either laying on her side or just being. The mannequin is it's just the creepiest thing to me. Like, and then when you
That's
just
how
walk
it
in her
looks, too.
room,
It's like-
she's just staring into your soul, trying to set it on fire. I am not okay with any of that. It's like
And I never
Annabelle manifested in a mannequin head.
And I never have hair on it at all.
Never.
Anyways, that's disrespectful.
That mannequin head's disrespectful.
Anyways, okay. If your friend was ever in jail, what would be the reason? Ooh, that's a good question.
Okay.
Okay.
1, 2,
2,
3.
3.
Assault.
Oh wow. You're right. Oh shoot, I keep thinking. Definitely I feel like Leela having a nervous breakdown. So assault too. What city was your friend born? 1, 2, 3. The city we were born in is the city we are in now.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
where it is, yeah. So if you know us, you already know. If you
Yeah.
don't, keep wondering.
Yeah. Who does the most housework?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Leela.
Me, yeah.
Because you guys should see my room.
You
This
should,
is why
you
we
should
don't
see
do
your
video.
car.
What is your friend most likely to waste money on? 1, 2, 3.
A
Wigs.
Rihanna brand. Nothing. No Fenty, nothing.
Mm-mm.
Wigs,
No.
shoes,
No.
makeup,
No.
cars,
No.
boys.
No. Wow. My heart.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk.
Definitely food. That's
Okay.
food.
Nice, nice.
Wow.
Not wigs anymore. I've been actually doing pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
It's food.
But I.
Eat a lot.
Oh yeah. What is your friend's favorite cuss word? LOL.
1, 2, 3. The
Damn
F
it.
word.
What is your friend's favorite movie? I'm sad. I don't know anything about you. All right. 1, 2, 3. Gone
I
with
have
the Wind.
absolutely no idea. I've never ever seen that movie. I've heard of it, but I've never seen it. What's your favorite movie?
It is Cloverfield. No, actually, just kidding. It is District 9.
Okay. Nice.
What is your friend's favorite thing about you?
A 1, a 2, a 3.
Her
And she's edgy.
and her, that she's like the total opposite. She's not edgy. That's my favorite thing about her. That she's like seriously like a old lady. What is your friend's least favorite thing about you? Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
That she wears her heart on her sleeve.
And that she does not. I was literally about to say like.
You see this heart? I just pulled it off of her sleeve, so we'll put it back there on her sleeve.
Wow, you're disrespectful. What is your friend most likely to get famous for? Okay, I got mine.
I know mine.
All right.
1, 2, 3.
Nothing.
You're dancing. Wow.
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Of a level of disrespect.
No, it's not like that. I was very accurate.
Don't touch me. You're a jerk.
What is your friend's shoe size? 1, 2, 3, 7.
8. Is yours 8?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yours is 7, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
What item of yours would your friend throw out at the first opportunity?
Yikes.
Oh. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Her
Whole
phone.
entire row.
Wow. I was gonna say her Columbia Coke because I'm starting to sick and tired of that thing. Don't look at that one because that was mine.
That was yours. What? Don't hate on my extra long Columbia Coke.
She has a freaking parka. What was your first road trip together?
1, 2, 3.
Indianapolis. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your partner's favorite song? 1, 2, 3. Pick it up.
Dead.
Yes. So Pick It Up by Dexter and King's
Dexter?
Dead by Kendrick Lamar on that new Black Panther soundtrack.
I'm so happy you used my dancing Dexter though.
I was cracking up because it's like. Pick it up.
Oh man.
Okay. What's your friend's favorite sports team? Because she asked this question last night and she didn't know.
Yeah.
Okay, but I do know hers. 1, 2, 3.
No idea.
She doesn't have one.
I don't follow sports like that.
Mine is I don't watch any pro sports. I only watch college sports, and my favorite college sports team is definitely Notre Dame football team. You should have known that.
I
Like,
should
the
have
thing
said
is,
that.
you should have
I
known
was
that.
thinking like
You
pro.
saw when I came in.
Yeah.
We representing Fighting Irish 24/7.
I was thinking pro. I wasn't even thinking on a college level.
I don't watch any. That's you know that. No,
Dropping
I don't.
the ball again.
I don't watch any pro. Okay. Where did you meet each other? These are funny.
A 1, a 2, a 3, a school.
Yeah, school. We met in college.
Yeah.
Literally, almost 4 years ago?
Yeah.
The summer is gonna be 4 years ago, but we just started becoming like
Yeah.
friends recently. Who has the craziest family? 1, 2, 3.
Me.
I definitely
feel
think it's me.
Cause like, first off, your stepdad is related to me, and there's like a billion.
Oh yeah,
others
that's
that are-
right. So it is like both are. Yeah.
It's
never
not
mind.
like
That question was that. Yeah, that was a pointless question. Okay.
both of ours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who?
In a good way. Though.
Yes. Yeah. Who is better at keeping secrets? 1, 2, 3. Leela. None of my business anyway.
I feel like we're both pretty good at keeping secrets.
Who is better at sports? 1, 2, 3.
Probably Zoe. Yeah.
Yeah. Very.
Actually, I'm pretty good at volleyball. Actually, volleyball is something I'm actually pretty good at.
You look like you are.
Yeah. Don't ask me to play basketball. No, because I'm gonna be the one that's getting their ankles broken. Because of that crossover.
Because you're clumsy though, so that's your problem.
Oh, but then I was pretty good at floor hockey. You know when they make you play sports in high school for PE? Because, like, I'm the type of girl, like, if I have to get down and play a sport in gym, I'll play it. I'm not going to be like those prissy girls that are not going to play. So I was out here
We're going to walk around the track. I hate those girls so much.
I can't stand them. We're playing floor hockey. I was coming for the shins. Literally.
Who is more likely to be running late? 1, 2, 3. Leela! She gets the crown, gets a trophy. She's
insert that clip.
For real, she stay on CP time.
Yeah.
Stay, and I'd be so sad. Okay. Who is more likely to get a traffic ticket? 1, 2, 3. Zoe.
Yeah.
Because I drive like my
car with her.
Wow. I drive like my father and pedal. I mean, what is it? Pedal to the metal?
To the metal.
Yeah, pedal to the metal. Okay. Who is more likely to kill a spider? 1, 2, 3. Neither of us. Yeah.
It's just gonna be there.
Yeah.
We're calling someone to kill it because no.
Okay. Who is more romantic? 1, 2, 3. Me.
What?
Me.
What?
Me. Okay. Who is a better cook? 1, 2, 3.
I'm gonna say Zoe because Zoe's never had anything that I ate. Yeah.
You've only had one meal
that fish was bomb. That's all that matters.
That fish was basic.
Well, it was bomb because one, it was like 3 o'clock in the morning.
No, actually it was 5.
Yeah. For 5 o'clock in the morning and for being tired and low key, kind of still drunk, hungover type situation, it did the job. It did the trick, you know.
Yeah. Who is a better dancer? 1, 2, 3. Me. Who is the loudest? 1, 2, 3. Zoe.
These are speaking whispers.
Yeah, she whispers all the time.
Whispering right
and
now.
I feel like sometimes I'm always like, what, too?
Imagine we're like old ladies now.
Okay, this is disrespectful. Who is the messiest? 1, 2, 3. Me.
Zoe.
Yeah, definitely that one. Yeah. Who is the most organized? 1, 2, 3. Leela. Okay. Who loses things the most though? 1, 2, 3. Leela.
Me.
Even though she's the most organized, I feel like
weird.
you never.
Because I get so forgetful. Like probably because I'm dehydrated because I don't drink enough water. Because not drinking enough water affects your memory. It does.
I didn't know that. Good tip.
Yeah. Okay.
Who loves the other more? 1, 2, 3. Me.
Got it.
Definitely, it's definitely me.
What?
Like, I definitely love you way more than you love me.
No.
Yes.
That's a lie. Zoe may think it's like that I don't love her more, but I love her more. I just show a lot of tough love. And I'm not about to have this girl out here.
I'm always stay posting about her.
That's true. I don't show love in that type of way just because I'm not a social media
that's what I'm saying. I do show my love very out. Who spends more money? 1, 2, 3. Me.
I'll say Zoe.
Yeah, definitely. Because I definitely feel like I'm like, let's go do something.
True.
Who spends more time on social media? 1, 2, 3.
Zoe.
Yeah, that's my thing. Who watches the most TV? 1, 2, 3. Leela.
Me.
She's literally watching Seinfeld right now.
But it's
loading. Yeah. Okay. Who works out more? 1, 2, 3.
Zoe.
Me. Yeah. Who would drive on a road trip?
Zoe.
These are. Who has more clothes? Leela. They have tags on them still. Who has more shoes? Leela. They're still in the box.
Wow.
Who's your friend's celebrity crush? 1, 2, 3.
Rihanna.
Yeah, she doesn't have one.
Yeah, I don't have one.
Okay, next question. Would your friend prefer dinner or a movie? 1, 2, 3. Dinner. And she would definitely want dinner because all she does is want to eat.
Yeah.
And I definitely, because I'm a big movie buff, but I love to eat too. Okay, last question. Okay. If your home was on fire and everyone important was out, what item would your friend go back in to save? That's a good one. That's a good last question.
I got it.
Okay.
All right.
1, 2, 3. Her
laptop.
wigs. That's a good one. Definitely.
Wigs.
Definitely, because that...
Nah, they can burn up. Because I'd have the one on my head, so I'm good. I'm good.
But yeah, definitely my laptop, because I paid good money for that sucker.
Yeah.
And I wouldn't be able to get another.
I would definitely go back in and save this filming equipment, though.
Oh, yes. I was thinking I'm going to say that, but then I feel like, no.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, that definitely.
I'm saving
all
the
this
heck
stuff
out
that
of
we've
it.
been using to like do all of this.
Yeah.
We would definitely be saving this. Thanks for watching. Yeah, thank you for watching this 1, 2, 3 tag.
Make sure to like and subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back to support us. Thank you so much.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Woo!